Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make use of this K35 wireless microphone step by step, and I'll also be giving you real life sound tests, my honest review, pros, cons, and advantage and disadvantage, and a few secrets to get the best results. So let's get right into it. The first part, what is inside this box? When you get this microphone now, what is inside it? It has two microphone, yes, plus a transmitter, one transmitter, and a charging cable. This is a charging cable. Let me show it very well. Let me bring the camera closer. This is what is inside the box: two microphone and the carton where they put the charger. Let me move the charger for you. Come in. Let me put the camera back. This is the wire. This is the charger in it. This is the charger connector. So first, that's what's inside the box. So that's what's inside the box. Now, how to make use of it? Since that I've been talking, I've not used the microphone. See me till later and come. This is this. I'll take this one. I wrote L because I demarcate it with paint. All this fingernail paint. Left and right. Is right, left, right, right, left, left, right, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. This is my left one. This is my right one. So how will you make use of it? First, there's a button at the back here. See it? There's a small button there. You hold it down. Then it blinks red and green. See it? You see it? It's blinking red and green already. So that's because it's not connected. So first, how will we connect it? We'll connect it with this one. We'll hold this thing, press the button down. So there's a button here too. So you press it. Once it's connected, it shows green, the two color. The two of them will be green. See the first one. This is the second one, green. So the two of them will be showing green at the same time. That means that it's connected. So I'm using a Samsung A24. That's the phone I'm using, Samsung A24. So how do you make use of it? So let me show you. I'll connect this one to my phone. Come in now. Thank you. Now, microphone. Make sure your phone supports external microphone. Sorry, this one I'm making it up. So this is it. So this is good. I'm putting it on my fork because the microphone is kind of tiny for me to hold. So I like using the fork so that I need to hold it to your hand like this now. You see it. Now this is when I'm using the microphone. Can you compare it to when I was sounding before? The microphone makes my voice clearer, neater, and audible. Let's do a sound test of the microphone. This is it with the microphone. No? Let me show you that microphone. Let's do a sound test of the microphone. This is it with the microphone. Let's do achum tutum. Hello, can you hear me? 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2. On the tune, increase volume, That's the way I'm going to have but I said that you do. Volume, tune, increase volume. Anyway, this is it with microphone. Now see without microphone. This is it without microphone. Did you see the difference? There's difference between when there's microphone there and when there's no microphone. So that's the difference with it. So that is why I love this K35 microphone. It makes your voice audible. It makes you reduce background noise, more focus on your voice alone. So let me do a practical for you now. See some tweets. Sure. This is my fan. Let me see if it's recording itself. Okay, let's do a little practical with the microphone. Since I don't understand it is not connecting before. Let's see. See, I want this fan. As me, I was in a place that has a lot of breeze, like maybe a noisy area, a loud area. The microphone will season the noise and make my voice only to enter the phone. You understand? So now as I'm talking now, the fan is blowing. You see, I am blowing. I will later tell how to remove all this background noise because I made that kind of video in this video. So I talk about this in this video. I say about that kind of video in this video. So man, go look my microphone. I beg. So that's it. I hope you understand that part of the practical I just did for you now. So what is the advantage of using this microphone, this K35 microphone? Number one is that you can plug and play it. You don't need any application to download, no Bluetooth needed, clear audio with noise reduction, lightweight, easy to carry around. It's very easy to carry around. Once you have carried this one, and that one, you don't do. That's how for a microphone. You don't need to be carrying this thing. And it has long battery, 6 to 8 hours. Yes, and what is affordable. Yes, it's not too much. Only joke budget, we have 15,000. And it's not too much if you save $15 or $30 online, sha. So what you have to watch out for if you buy it, don't block this microphone with cloth. Like, don't cover your clothes like this. No, there's already foam already on it, so there's no need to use cloth to cover it again. 2, store in a make sure your phone support external microphone. Yes, and what, charge it full before long shoot. So now, how do you maintain? For example, now maintenance is so important too. I use my microphone. I've been using since April last year, 2025. I've been using since April last year, 2024, and it's still good. Does not have any problem because of what? I store it in a cool, dry place. It comes with a manual, but manual. I cannot say I read the manual. This is the first time I'm touching the manual. Do you understand? I don't read manual. I've never this first time I'm touching manual, so they're coming. So yes, I mean, no forgive me. And I not concern me. I'm not like my I could this manual for when I'm not a people. See, don't overcharge it though. Unplug it when it is full. If it have already off the light have off, for example, you see that light was off because it's filled up with it, so you unplug it. And always do a quick sound before recording. Like for example, now when I start recording now, the former time the microphone did not sound, so always do a quick sound. So that's it. And where can you find this K35 microphone? You can find it on online stores like Jumia, Konga, Amazon, Temu, many more. Just make sure that you are buying from a trusted seller, somebody that is trustworthy, someone that will not scam you online, and avoid buying fake version. And this one, there's even different type of this one, K35 microphone. There's the one of one microphone, one connector, iPhone connector, and this thing, So that's it. So that's everything you should know about K35 microphone. It's very easy to use. It's even easy. All you have to do is just press the button, connect your phone. That's all. Don't download any application. That's all. So that's the usefulness of the K35. So I hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next video. Sorry. I hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next video. Hi, I'm K35 Vibes. Bye bye.